Hi.
Asking all them questions.
Asking all questions.
Making statements.
Assuming.
Oh, girl.
Guess what we're doing?
We about to be asking all them questions.
Girl.
Psh, crackhead.
Do it.
Listen, bro. I understand what you're saying, but I'ma help them understand what you're saying. Basically, this how the girl is.
Where? Who? You been where? With who? For real? Oh, really? That's how you feel? Asking all questions. Asking all questions. Why you asking all questions? Making statements. Assuming? Asking all questions. Asking all questions. Why you asking all questions? Making statements. Assuming? Where you been? How much did you spend? Yeah, trust you. Now unlock your phone. Who is this? Huh, see, why you playing with me? That's the same reason why you ain't staying with me. Trying to get in my joints, you laying with me. I ain't even trying to hear what you saying with me. You grab your stuff, hit the dope, go chill with them other girls. That's why we stink, talking about some beach girls, please. She ratchet? That's why I'm pregnant. And you the pappy? Looking stupid. That's what you get. Walking around here, thinking that you slick, but you dumb. You stupid? No, don't you talk while I'm talking. You better mute it. Now unlock your phone. Let me see your pictures. I'm gonna check your Facebook and I'ma check your Twitter and I bet it tell me where. Who? You been where? With who? Oh really? Oh really? That's how you feel? Asking all questions. Asking all questions. Why you asking all questions? Making statements. Assuming? Asking all questions. Asking all questions. Why you asking all questions? Making statements. Assuming? Girl, why you bugging? Oh, who that girl? That's just my cousin. Wanna know the truth and how I feel? Stop tweet watching so I know it's real. Girl, ain't nobody lying to you. I ain't got no secrets I ain't hide from you, but you still wanna check my phone and my tweets. Find out who I'm talking to and who I'm trying to meet. What you said you pregnant? Me mine, girl, I wrapped it up. That's how I know you lying. What you think I'm dumb? You think I'm stupid? No, you think I'm club you. Do I look like Cupid? Hold on, your pictures. Let me check your Facebook. What's the password to your Twitter? You on the DM. You trying to see him at 7 p.m. this weekend so he can spend it all on you. You ain't slick. You ain't slick. Where? Who? You been where? With who? For real? Oh really? That's how you feel? Asking all them questions. Asking all questions. Why you asking all questions? Making statements. Assuming? Asking all questions. Asking all questions. Why you asking all questions? Making statements. Assuming? Whatever, nigga. What you gonna do? You just mad because you got caught. You dirty. Yo dirty ass. You dirty. Man, get your face on my face, shorty. Man. Somebody better get it. I ain't playing.
And the girl always want to be on the internet. They'll say something like,
Tell that thirsty chick you been at my Twitter name so I know it's real.